in this video. Oh my god. We spent our last 24 hours of Japan in Yokohama before flying back to Chicago. After checking out of the hotel, we made our way to Kyoto Station to get on the Shinkansen to Yokohama. My snacks on the train was 2 onigiri, a natto maki, and Georgia Max coffee that my friend recommended I try. And to be honest, it's pretty amazing, so I recommend it too. I tried the natto maki and honestly, flavor was okay, but I can't get past the texture. And finally, we made it to Yokohama. Before checking in, we stopped by the Yokohama Landmark Tower to do some shopping and eat some udon. And then we went to our room for the first time. Oh, I just went up on it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so it is our last night here in Japan, and we are staying at the Royal Park Hotel in Yokohama. So I'm gonna give you guys a really nice room tour because this room's amazing, by the way. So you can see there's a really big window and Ray's already chilling over there, but we're gonna start off here. Entryway, pretty decent sized entryway to get your luggage in. To the right is the bathroom. Pretty nice sink counter space, a tub, and a shower room, which is nice, and the nice bidet toilet. And then we got the closet here. Pretty standard. Oh, it lights up when you open it. That's nice. And then the piece de resistance is the main room. So hold on, the left side, look at this display just for glass. What in the world is this? Pretty decent sized TV, big room, just like in general, bigger than like all the other hotels that we stayed in. Even the Marriott, I think it's bigger than the Marriott probably. So decent sized bed here, lots of space, but the view, guys. This view, holy shit. Look at the view. We did get the bay view, so it's so nice. Oh my god. Honestly, I'm afraid of heights, but this is actually pretty nice, and this table keeps me away from the window, so I'll take that. But look at this. You can see the amusement park down there. What else can you see? You can see the sky cabins going around, Ferris wheel. What else can we see from here?
There's some boats out there.
Yeah. A lot of boats going in and out of the Bay Area, and in the distance, all of the cargo ships too. So, but yeah, this is just a great way to end our trip in Japan. So, gonna have a pretty nice stay here tonight. That's for sure. After settling in, we rode the Yokohama Air Cabin to the World Porters Mall. shopped a bit before grabbing malasada from Leonard's Bakery. Malasada is basically donuts, and some of them have filling in them. We then walked to the red brick warehouse to do more shopping, before taking a stroll back to World Porters. We also decided to take the air cabin back to the hotel. And ended our night with some beer and lemon sour while enjoying the view. Good morning from Yokohama in Japan. Just taking in this view here really quick, but we are already packed and ready to go. Ray went down to check on his brother to make sure he's good to go. But yeah, really sad to be leaving Japan, but makes me really want to come back again next year, hopefully, maybe. But it's been a really good time, and I didn't really vlog as much because I kind of want to be respectful about putting cameras out, and I know that a lot of people here don't really like having cameras in, around. So, the vlogs were very more low-key, but I hope you guys still enjoyed them. But yeah, again, just taking in this view one last time before we head out to Haneda Airport and fly back to Chicago. We made our way to Haneda International Airport, and before going through security, we walked around the airport. And finally, it was time to take off. The flight back was only going to take 11 hours, but it was mostly spent sleeping, watching movies, and of course, eating. For our first meal, I got the scallion grilled pork rice bowl, which came with sides and of course, ice cream. And more than halfway through the flight, we were given anpan, which is bread with red bean paste inside. And a few hours before landing, we were served the taco rice bowl. Honestly, this was probably my favorite JAL meal on this trip. And it also came with citrus jelly. Eventually, we could see Chicago out the window. And finally, we landed back in Chicago. I want to thank you all for joining us on this series. We had such a fun time and I hope you enjoyed it too. And we'll see you in our next adventure.